When you want to get your Stripe Live API keys, you want to click on the developers option over here. Then select on the API keys option. And you can see then your Stripe Live restricted key, publishable key, and also the secret key. And if you want to get your Stripe test API keys, then you want to click on your own business name at the top left of the screen. Hover your mouse on top of the switch to sandbox and select which test account or sandbox account you want to get the API key from. If you don't have any Stripe test account, you might click on Create Sandbox to create a new test account. And voila, here is your Stripe test restricted key, test publishable key, and the test secret key. So the main difference between the Stripe test API keys and Live API keys, the sandbox or the Stripe test API keys will have the word test at the beginning. Meanwhile, the Stripe Live API keys will have the word live at the beginning. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.